Welcome to a new session of Learn English with Radiant Academy. In today's session, we are going to discuss some phrasal verbs using the verb get. On the left, there are some phrasal verbs using the verb get. Match them with their meanings on the right hand side. You will get some time to do it, and after that you can see your answers and see how many of them you could match correctly. Here are the answers to match the following. Get on with it means to finish something quickly. For example, I am running out of time with this project. I just need to get on with it and not worry about doing it perfectly. Next one, get over. Get over means recover from a difficult experience. Let's look at a sentence with get over. That was a bad breakup. It took me a long time to get over it. Next one, get it over with means you can't wait for it to be over. Let's look at an example. I hate exams. I just want to get them over with so I can enjoy my break. Fourth one, get up to means to do something. Let's see an example. What did you get up to this weekend? I went to the cinema with my friends. So colleagues will often use this phrasal verb to make polite conversation at work. Basically, it is an informal way to say to do. Next one, get out of. Get out of doing something means to avoid it. It's used to talk about avoiding something you dislike. I personally love it when I get out of doing the dishes. Or another example, I'm so glad they hired a babysitter, so I got out of looking after my younger sister. Sixth one, get along with. This phrasal verb means to have a good relationship with someone. This can be used interchangeably with get on with someone. Let's see an example. I'm close to my family. I get along well with my sister. Or I get along well with my colleagues. Or during an interview, you can say that you are a good team player by telling, I get along well with others. Get through. To get through means to finish or complete something. It can be used when talking about a task, a project, or anything that has a beginning and an end. I couldn't get through the film. It was so boring. The eighth one, get through to. This means to make someone understand something. It implies that the person you are speaking to might not be interested in what you have to say. I tried to explain the importance of wearing a mask to prevent the spread of the virus, but I just couldn't get through to him. Ninth one, get off on. has many meanings in British English. So you must use the correct preposition after get off to avoid implying something you don't mean. To get off on means to get excited by something in a way that can have a sexual connotation. Here, let's look at the meaning to get excited by something. For example, he really gets off on being the boss and taking control. The last one, get around. In this context, the phrasal verb means to spread easily and quickly. Word got around that there were going to be redundancies. I hope it's clear to you, and I hope that many of you got at least 6 or 7 of them correct. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and only then you can avail the upcoming sessions. Thank you. Take care. Thanks for watching this session. I hope this is beneficial for all of you who want to improve your proficiency in English, especially those who are aspiring to sit their IELTS, OET or PTE, the International English Language Test. And so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you will be updated with the upcoming sessions. Thank you once again. Take care.